had a bad
In Auburn.
tornado up in
I mean, it
what
was.
it,
I had a class. I had a
New Hampshire yesterday.
the onion.
Traveled like 50 Yeah. Oh, they've been having them up in New England a lot.
Really?
But
That's not really a tornado. Is that a tornado
we've
zone?
been fairly bad about it this time of year, but I mean, it traveled about 50 miles.
What time is your class? Okay. Not at 8 a.m.
Actually, it had happened then because it was Eastern time and we were on Central, so
7:30 hours.
8:55 is what the first time.
Yep.
And I told their pack
Yeah.
3.
No, it's 4.
That's college.
We just might catch Billy. We're getting really close. Greg, steer the boat. Just see that flyer up there ahead, not this one.
And I,
Just
I
head for
would-
that boat. Yeah, just go straight for them. You can do that. I can tape.
I would make it